morning, everyone. Welcome back. I will try and not to complain about this microphone in my face. I do kind of like doing the FM DJ. How's it going, everyone? Let's rock on out to NNBC Dip and Rip. What do you think? 10 million shares traded, 11 million volume, number one stock on Oracle. We got some BS news the other day. Stock with a history of running. A lot of one and dones on the chart, but we got a multi-month breakout coming at you. Anyway, there's your dad joke of the day. So I would probably call NNBC, let's go back to Shouty Tim instead of late night FM DJ Tim. So NNBC, considering it's number one on Oracle, considering it's a former runner, considering it's already low rotated the float, I would call this my number one dip and rip. Just like EDSA yesterday, would love to see a chat pump to get that. You know, I always joke about that extra little bit of seasoning, a little bit of juice. Give us that chat pump a lot like EDSA. And actually, Zebo got the chat pump earlier yesterday. Zebo was decent out of the gate. Hopefully you didn't overstay in that. Understand these things are day trade only, etc. And Brian, well done. Coming right in saying NNBC dip and rip over 550. Yes, Brian, you or I are on the exact same page. Scott Lizapuki asking about LCID. Listen, I think, something I've talked about forever is I think we are going to get another EV stock run. I do like LCID. I mean, just been on a run. This is another Wall Street Bets favorite. I would probably consider this more of a swing trade type idea, Scott. So at any point, this is above VWAP into the afternoon. Look to put on the swing. Because, I mean, here's, and I know we don't talk much big picture stuff here, but ultimately, listen, the push is coming. All Ford's announcing EVs every day. Obviously, Tesla's doing incredible stuff. I think back to spring last year, I think we're going to get another EV stock, and I do like SPACs in this sector, and I do like LCID. What do you think about IRNT continuation? So, wow. Geez, I have to admit, I tell you, I won't go off the rails again about shorts, but I have to admit, I did not even see IRNT. EDSA took all my time yesterday. CRVS took all my time yesterday. But this is what happens. I saw them. Everyone was calling this an amazing, first red day short on Friday, and here it is. The bounce is back. So week open red to greens, afternoon VWAP holds. So, because shorts are loaded now because of that first red day stuff. So Genius shorts are loaded. Notice I need to put Genius in quotes. Are loaded from FRD on Friday. This is totally a week open red to green or afternoon VWAP hold. Oh, and actually, guys, I meant to do this. Remember, I am working on this new setup. I will try and remember to increase my font size. So now, reaching out to the community, going back to the point of how I'm not real happy with Evernote right now, but the changes they're making. Now, that's probably just the old man in me talking. But somebody, if you want to shoot me, tag me on Twitter or something, can you, in the current version of Evernote, can you change the default font size? Because I couldn't find out how to do it. So I will try and remember to increase the font size for you guys. But if you can find out, because I don't want to try and remember it every day. So what do you think about CRVS as a red to green? My friend, 100%. I loved this afternoon squeeze yesterday afternoon, just keeping everybody on their toes. You know, everyone I think is going to panic at that 650 level. Basically, everything I said on CRVS is a repeat of today, but I think you're going to get a spike if you get that red to green, and keep this on watch all week. So red to green and 650 watch, same as yesterday. This has them scared, and they should be scared. You know, when I say they, you know, shorts that are being patient with this thing, they should be scared. They should be worried, because this is, I mean, I know it's only Tuesday. But still at 52s, still traded 70 million shares yesterday, still up 150%. I mean, and I'm always careful. I don't like, you know, getting you guys your hope, quote unquote, your hopes up. But man, you know, here we go. Remember, like it all started, this theme, remember BTX, Boy Tom X-Ray, BTX. If I remember correctly, and feel free to fact check me on this, 4 Fridays in a row, that stock squeezed in June, July, okay? And I'm not saying this is BTX 2.0, but we've seen these stocks just like this, squeezes on a Friday, hangs around, does it again. So set your alerts, be ready on CRVS. And again, I know it's only Tuesday, but hey, Friday's not that far away. A lot of you asking about HLBZ, and I might need to sneeze. Ooh, some Amazon news. Oh! I might have to go back to the FMDJ. So what do we got here? We got a recent runner, low float stock, already rotated the float with some BS Amazon news, and everyone, speaking of idiot shorts, they've all been calling this, the best short in the world, blah, 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 blah. Interesting. Very interesting on HLBZ. So I'm going to tell you to be careful because I want you to stay safe. So it's probably going to be a chat pump because it's a 2 million floater. Yeah, chat pump. So just FYI, remember the chat room loves to push around these 2 million floaters. So, I mean, this is what I'm going to leave you on. Amazon headline, 2 million float, breakout chart, heavily shorted, chat pump. Please wait till 9:45 or later, but this is basically today's EDSA, okay? That might be, I know I listed all those criteria, but HLBZ, 9:45 or later, please be safe. It's not about getting rich, about getting rich in one day. It's about learning and growing your account slowly over time. As always, if you don't like that philosophy, okay, if you want to make bank, bro, you don't want to grow your account slowly over time as you learn, stay safe, hey, get off my live stream, man. I don't care, okay? Because if you want to make $1 million as a new trader in the next 2 months, I'm not for you, okay? Everything I talk about is safe. Everything I talk about is conservative, and you'll hear me say this a million times. My number one reason for being here, okay, get out your Sharpie, okay? Get out your Post-it notes and write this down. The number one reason I am here is to teach you and help you trade the most volatile stocks in the safest manner possible, okay? I don't want you blowing up. I know where the bodies are buried. I've been around 15 years. I know where I've seen them all come and go. The reason I pick on the bros is I've seen 1 million bros make 100 grand in a month and then disappear. They're gone. They're dead because they get too aggressive. They get too cocky. They don't want to focus on the time of day. They don't want to focus on the chart patterns. They want bottle service down at the strip club, rolling up in the Lambo. That's what they want. That's not what I'm about. Okay? Yeah, I talk about the craziest, wackiest, wildest runners, but I talk about trading them safely because I've seen the Again, I know where the bodies are buried. So, if you want to make bank, bro, it ain't for you. Okay? That being said, HLBZ, definitely 945 dip and rip because of the chat pump. And then NNVC, same, and basically NNVC and HLBZ are Zevo and EDSA today. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. I still don't have all my music on here, so I'm just going to play, because of the fact that I got that killer bass now, I'm just going to play the intro as the outro. So have a good day, and we will see you next time. Stay safe, my friends. Stay safe, okay? Remember, in penny stocks, we all hear that, in trading, they say 90% fail. I kind of believe that. Now, here's the next part. Here's the old man scaring you. In penny stocks, in day trading penny stocks, I think the failure rate's more like 99%. So, be aggressive if you want, but, I believe it's another Ed Psychotic quote. Sorry, Ed, if I'm misattributing this. But the quote is, there's old traders, there's bold traders, but there are very, 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 very few old and bold